Hi, it's Perry again. We at Overseas BMW and Mini always love helping you find the perfect vehicle for your price, preferences, and needs. Because we have always been able to help so many people find a new vehicle or certified pre-owned, we are now looking for more vehicles. Now you might wonder why selling your vehicle to us is best for you. There are three main reasons you might want to consider. Number one, time and money. Selling a vehicle on your own is not an easy task at all. There are several factors that you need to be taken care of, such as road certifications, warranty, repairs, and many more. It can be exhaustive mentally as well as financially. When you bring your used car to us, we at Overseas BMW and Mini take care of all such documentation. Number two, security in your sale. There have been too many stories of people driving off and aggressive drivers on test drives. By bringing your vehicle to us, you remain safe at all times. Third, trade-in options. We offer trade-in options to make your new vehicle cheaper, while you can sell your older vehicle to us. Also note, you get a great tax-saving credit. So bring in your used vehicles. Our helpful staff will answer all your questions and make it well worth your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at www.overseasbmw.com and www.miniwindsor.com. You can also call us to book an appointment at 519-254-4303. Thank you for tuning in and have yourself a great day.